Sir, so what is your very first reaction to the Union Budget 2024?
So it looks to be a very populist budget. There's a lot of impetus and focus on infrastructure, development, youth, women, poor, farmer. So overall, I think they wanted to give a message that this budget is for whole of India, where corporate India, common citizen, everybody can participate in the success of India.
So FM has increased the long-term capital gain, and it is impacting the market right now. We are seeing. So, what do you want to say about the tax slab? The long-term capital gain. What do you want to say about it?
Well, yes, the tax rates have been increased from 10 to 12.5%. If you go back in the history, there was a regime when the capital gain was always taxed. The listed securities, unlisted securities, everything was taxed. We had a regime where the entire long-term capital gain tax was not at all taxed. Then we had a regime for some years where the tax rate was introduced at a concessional rate of 10%. Now it has been marginally increased to 12.5%. So it is not only the rate increased by 2.5%, there are dual impact. One is 2.5% increase in the long-term capital gain tax rate. Plus, there is an increase in securities transaction tax as well, marginal increase over there as well. So I think perhaps that's the reason the market is down. See, when you look at presenting a budget or working on the budget, uh, government has to balance both the expenditure as well as what we say is the revenue. Unless and until both are managed, it will be very difficult to do the balancing act. Uh, there is an increase in short-term capital gain as well. Hitherto, it was taxed at 15%. Now they have proposed to increase the rate from 15 to 20%. So overall, I think from a financial market perspective, that's perhaps the reason why you are seeing a little bit of uh, red in the stock market today as we speak. Thank you.